Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video we will discuss about what are the top 5 health benefits of apple cider vinegar. So let us discuss about that. So as we all know that apple cider vinegar is a popular home remedy and people have used it for centuries in cooking and medicine. And many people claim it can relieve a wide range of health complaints, but you may wonder what the research says. So apple cider vinegar has various healthful properties including antimicrobial and antioxidant effects. So what's more, some evidence has suggested that it may offer health benefits such as aiding weight loss, reducing cholesterol, lowering blood sugar level and improving the symptoms of. Let's talk about the first health benefits of apple cider vinegar. So that is, it is high in healthful substances. So let us discuss about this now. So apple cider vinegar is made by two-step processes. First, the manufacturer exposes crusty apples to yeast, which ferments the sugars and turn into them to alcohol. And next, they add bacteria to further ferment the alcohol and turning it into acetic acid, which is the main active compound in the vinegar. And this acetic acid gives vinegar its strong, sour smell and flavor. Some researchers believes that acid is responsible for apple cider vinegar's health benefits. And cider vinegars are 5 to 6% are acetic acid. Apple cider vinegar also contains a substance called mother, which consists of strands of proteins, enzymes, and friendly bacteria that gives the product of murky appearance. And some people believe that the mother is responsible for most of its health benefits, although there were currently no studies to support this. And while apple cider vinegar does not contain any vitamins or minerals, so it offers small amount of potassium. And good quality brands also contain some amino acids and antioxidant. So hence we are trying to say that apple cider vinegar is made by fermenting the sugar from the apples. This turns them into acetic acid, which is the main active ingredient in the vinegar and may be responsible for the various health benefits. So this was all about the first health benefit of apple cider vinegar. Now let's talk about the second health benefit of apple cider vinegar, that is, it can kill harmful bacteria. So vinegar can help kill pathogens including bacteria, and people have traditionally used vinegar for cleaning and disinfecting, treating nail fungus, lice, warts and ear infections. Dr. Hippocrates, the father of modern medicine, used vinegar to clean wounds more than 2000 years. Vinegar is also a food preservative, and studies shows that it inhibits bacteria like Escherichia coli, that is E. coli, from growing in and spoiling. So through this we are trying to say that the main substance in the vinegar, as we have already talked about, that is acetic acid. So this acetic acid can kill harmful bacteria or prevent them from multiplying, and it has a history of use as a disinfectant and natural preservative. This was all about the second health benefits of apple cider vinegar. Now, let's talk about the third health benefit, that is, it may help lower blood sugar levels and manage diabetes, that is, type 2 diabetes especially. So type 2 diabetes is characterized by high blood sugar level, which is caused by insulin resistance, or the inability to produce insulin, you can say. But however, some people without diabetes can also benefit from keeping their blood sugar level in the normal range, as some researchers believe that high blood sugar level are a major causes of aging and various chronic diseases. So the most effective and the healthiest way to regulate blood sugar level is to avoid refined carbohydrates and sugar. But apple cider vinegar may also have a beneficial effects for controlling type 2 diabetes. So this was all about the third health benefit of apple cider vinegar. Now let's talk about the fourth health benefit, that is, it may add weight. Perhaps surprisingly, some studies have shown that vinegar could help people lose their weight. Several human studies shows that vinegar can increases feelings of fullness, and this can lead you to eat fewer calories and lose weight. For example, according to one study, taking vinegar along with a high carbohydrate meal leads to increased feeling of fullness in the stomach and causing participate to 75 fewer calories throughout the rest of the day. And furthermore, a study in 175 people with obesity showed that daily apple cider vinegar consumption lead to reduced belly fat and weight loss. Taking 1 tablespoon, that is 12 ml, lead to loss of 2.6 pounds, or you can say 1.2 kg. And taking 2 tablespoons, that is 30 ml, lead to loss of 3.7 pounds, or you can say 1.7 kg. However, keep in mind that this study went on for 3. So overall, we are trying to say that apple cider vinegar may contribute to the weight loss by promoting safety, lowering blood sugar, and reducing the insulin levels. So apple cider vinegar only contain about 3 calories per tablespoon, which is very low. So this was all about the 4th health benefit of apple cider vinegar. Now let's talk about the last, that is the 5th one, health benefit of apple cider vinegar. That is, it may boost skin health. So it has a very long lasting impact. So apple cider vinegar is a common remedy for the skin conditions like dry skin, or you can say eczema and psoriasis also. So the skin is naturally slightly acidic. So using topical apple cider vinegar could help rebalance the natural pH of the skin and improving the protective skin barriers. And on the other hand, alkaline soaps and cleansers could irritate eczema and making symptoms worse. So given its antibacterial properties, apple cider vinegar could be used in theory help prevent skin infections which are linked to eczema and other skin conditions. Some people use diluted apple cider vinegar in a face wash or toner. The idea is that it can kill bacteria and prevent spots. However, one study in 22 people with eczema reported that apple cider vinegar soaks did not improve the skin barriers and caused. In this video, we have discussed about the top 5 health benefits of apple cider vinegar. So that's all for today. See you guys in our next video. Till then, stay connected with us for more videos like this. Don't forget to subscribe. And yes, thanks for watching.